Welcome to Glimpse Pro, where we bring you the best strategies to make money online. Today, we'll talk about e-commerce and how you can build a successful store that generates thousands of dollars per month. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you'll learn the secrets to success in this field. Why e-commerce? E-commerce is one of the fastest ways to generate a high income online because you don't need a huge capital to start. You have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. It offers unlimited opportunities for growth and expansion. But the question is, how do you build a successful e-commerce business? Let's find out together. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche. The first step is to choose a profitable niche, as success depends on targeting the right audience. Here are some of the most successful niches: digital products, ebooks, online courses, etc. Health and fitness accessories, unique and limited edition products, tech gadgets and electronic accessories. Choose high-demand products with moderate competition to increase your chances of success. Step 2. Building a professional online store. To create a successful e-commerce store, you have several options. Use Shopify for an easy, no-code store setup. Choose WooCommerce with WordPress for more customization and control. Sell through Amazon FBA or Etsy if you prefer using existing marketplaces. Make sure to optimize user experience by having a clean design, fast loading speed, and easy navigation. Step 3. Smart marketing to boost sales. Even if you have the best store, you won't make money without effective marketing. Here are some proven strategies: Facebook and Instagram ads to target potential customers, influencer marketing to promote your products through content creators, search engine optimization (SEO) to get free traffic from Google, email marketing to build customer loyalty and increase repeat sales. Step 4. The secret strategy to increase profits. To make thousands of dollars per month, implement these smart tactics: upselling and cross-selling. Offer additional products to increase the average order value. Limited time offers and discounts create urgency to drive quick purchases. Subscription-based models sell products or services through recurring subscriptions. Conclusion: e-commerce is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a real opportunity for those who apply the right strategies. Have you tried e-commerce before? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more tips on making money online and e-commerce success. See you in the next video.